It was 3 a.m. again, staring at the ceiling, my mind replaying yesterday's mistakes while imagining tomorrow's disasters. That familiar tightness in my chest, like being crushed between two walls of time. At work, I'd sit frozen while colleagues moved around me, physically present, mentally time-traveling, reliving that awkward conversation from last week while worrying about next month's deadline. My relationship suffered most. During dinner with friends, I'd nod while mentally rewriting past arguments. My presence became an empty chair where my worries sat instead. The breaking point came in a grocery aisle. Overwhelmed by cereal choices, I had a panic attack, not about cereal, but about every wrong choice I'd ever made and all future decisions waiting to ambush me. That night I made a desperate promise. I would learn to live where life actually happens, the present moment. Not tomorrow, not yesterday, this breath, this heartbeat. My first mindfulness attempt was comical. Focus on your breath, the app instructed. I lasted 3 seconds before mentally drafting grocery lists and reliving high school embarrassments. But I discovered the secret. Mindfulness isn't about stopping thoughts. It's about becoming the observer, noticing thoughts like clouds passing without boarding them for time travel journeys. I started small. Washing dishes became my training ground, feeling warm water, noticing soap bubbles. When my mind wandered to yesterday's argument, I gently returned to the plate in my hands. Walking transformed too. Instead of rehearsing conversations, I noticed how my feet met pavement. The rhythm of steps became my anchor to the now. The real test came during traffic. Instead of road rage about delays, I noticed tension in my shoulders. Then the sound of rain. My knuckles slowly unwhitened on the steering wheel. I began noticing miracles everywhere, steam rising from coffee, sunlight patterns on walls. These tiny moments strung together created a necklace of nows more valuable than any worry. When past regrets surfaced, I asked, can I change this right now? If not, I visualized placing it in a mental drawer. Future anxieties got the same treatment. My relationships blossomed. Friends noticed the change. You really listen now, they'd say. Truth was, I'd finally showed up to my own life. Work transformed. Projects flowed when I stopped mentally time leaping. Mistakes became information, not indictments. I discovered focus is presence in disguise. Sleep found me naturally. No more mental movies. Just observing my breath until consciousness gently released me, often without noticing the exact moment. I discovered the profound truth. Anxiety lives in imagined futures, depression in excavated pasts, but power lives only here, only now. One rainy Tuesday, I realized I'd gone hours without time traveling. The victory wasn't dramatic, just warm contentment radiating from my center. I'd become present. Now I catch worries faster. When future tripping starts, I ask, what's real right now? Usually, I'm safe, I'm breathing, I have what I need this moment. My anchor practice, 3 daily breaths where I name something I see, hear, and feel. This trifecta always drags me back from time travel expeditions. The present isn't passive, it's where we wield our power. Past and future are illusions we visit, but change, growth, action, they only exist now. I still time travel sometimes, but now I recognize the ticket in my hand, and I choose to stay home in this breath, this moment, this sacred now. Your turn right now. Feel your feet on the floor, notice your next breath. Hear the ambient sounds around you. This isn't preparation for life, this is life happening. Don't try to live in the present forever, just for this breath, then the next. String together moments of presence like pearls. Watch your life transform one now at a time.